Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files quickly. No sign up required, no downloading of software is required, just pure magic. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So first of all, you are going to use this free website which is called ilovepdf.com. As you can see from the address bar, ilovepdf.com. So you press enter on your keyboard and then you have this website available. So first of all, you can see that we have a very um, first link here which says merge PDF. So you are going to click on merge PDF. After clicking on merge PDF, you are going to see select PDF files. Select PDF files, or you can also drag and drop if you want to do that. But the best thing to do is to select PDF files if you don't know how to drag and drop. So you click on select PDF files and then it will open your file explorer for you. So in this file explorer, I'm just going to go to one of my folders here which is called docs, and then I have a files folder here. I'll just open it. You can navigate to anywhere in your file explorer, then you are going to select where your PDF files are. So now I'm going to select all these PDF files here. I've named them 1 up to 5 because I want it to be arranged in that order. So I'll click open. After clicking open, it will open all these PDF files for me. As you can see on my PC, it is going to open it for you, all of them. Then you can also rearrange them if you want the first one to go to third column or third place. You can rearrange them. If you want the fifth one, you just click on it and drag it to wherever you want it to go. If you want the fifth one to come to first position, it depends on how you want to rearrange your PDF. But in my case, I want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why I've renamed them. So 1, the second one should come to second, then the third one to third position, and then we have the fourth one coming to fourth position. So now it's arranged as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Then after that, I'll just click on what merge PDF from my right hand side here. Then you have the PDFs have been merged. So we have a download button here which you can click on it to download, or sometimes automatically it will be downloaded for you. As you can see, it has already downloaded. Then I'm going to open it. So when I click open, you can see that my PDF files have been merged. It has been merged. All the pages have been merged together. So I'm going to scroll together to the last page. Yes, so all the PDF files have been merged from first to fifth. But because the PDF files already have multiple pages, so it is going to merge them as it is like that. So this is a quick tutorial that will help you. If you really like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.